The extension component offers students the opportunity to continue a deeper exploration of their learning in creative ways while focusing on the 9 traits of critical thinking. Let's take a deeper dive into extension. During extension, students focus on one critical thinking trait to branch out and use their new learning in new and creative ways. In this example, students are focusing on the critical thinking trait examine. So the activity is one that will build on this trait. The performance task is carefully laid out in a clear and systematic way in both the teacher edition and the student edition to help students know exactly what to do. The teacher edition offers a scoring criteria to help you measure both the student's process as well as product. And including the scoring criteria in the student edition as well takes the guesswork out of student performance. Students are informed up front of what the expectations will be. In addition to the comprehensive literature connection list discussed in previous video segments, there's also a unit-specific list of authentic literature linked to the unit TEKS concept or performance task. This list is compiled to use for independent reading or research and is analyzed and lexiled by metametrics. ThinkUp ELAR also offers a home connection tool that engages parents in student learning. Each unit includes activities students can do at home to extend learning. It is suggested that these be sent to parents through print or digital newsletter form. At the close of the unit, students take time to reflect on their learning and their use of critical thinking to culminate their learning experience. There's also a reflection for you to evaluate what worked during the journey and what concepts may need to be revisited. Notice in this unit, you're asked to evaluate successful activities, student success, future opportunities, and potential improvements.